This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing data and gathering evidence. Backup files and check Event Viewer for the exact crash times and error codes so you know what to target. Once done, run System File Checker and dism to repair corrupted system files. These often fix crashes caused by damaged OS components. Make sure to run them as administrator and reboot after each step. If results show unrecoverable files, note the logs for the next troubleshooting phase. Now focus on components that commonly cause instability. Update your graphics, chipset, and network drivers using manufacturer installers rather than Windows defaults, because vendor drivers fix hardware-specific bugs. Next, apply all pending Windows updates and check the update catalog for targeted hotfixes. Then run hardware diagnostics. Windows memory diagnostic for RAM and CHKDSK with repair flags for storage. These tests reveal failing hardware or firmware issues that produce intermittent crashes, so replace or roll back components if errors appear. Finish with targeted isolation and recovery. Use a clean boot to disable non-Microsoft startup items and services, then re-enable them one at a time to find conflicts. If problems continue after confirming drivers and hardware are healthy, consider an in-place repair or full Windows reinstall to eliminate corrupted system state. Finally, if crashes persist, boot to safe mode, collect minidump files, and analyze the crash code so you can pinpoint the faulty driver or module. That analysis is often the key to a permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.